An adiabatic process is a process that do not supply heat and mass to the environment. So this simply means for an adiabatic process, heat is what? Conserved. And if heat is conserved, it simply means that heat is equal to 0 for an adiabatic process. Now, on a PV diagram, you have some. So once again, an adiabatic process, the entire energy is within. The entire energy is within. For that reason, you have the flow process to look like this, the PV diagram to look like this. Okay, so this is an adiabatic process, and for this process, I mentioned earlier that the heat supply is simply what? Equal to 0, because heat is conserved. And if it is 0, then that simply means that from the first law of thermodynamics, 0 is equal to change in U plus W. So you're going to have 0 equals change in U plus W. And therefore, change in internal energy is going to be what? Negative work done. So this simply means that the higher the internal energy, or the higher the change in internal energy, the lower the work done, and vice versa.